Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss class 6 physics chapter 3 force exercise question and answer part 2. Question number 20, list 3 disadvantages of friction. Number 1, friction produces heat which damages the moving parts of a machine. Number 2, friction produces wear and tear on the contacting surfaces. This reduces the life of machine parts, tire and shoe soles. Number 3, friction opposes the motion of a body, so it decreases the efficiency. Question number 21, when you apply the brakes, a bicycle stops and the rim of the wheels become hot. Explain the reason. It is due to friction between the brakes and the rim of the wheel that is become hot. Question number 22. The eraser gets smaller and smaller as you use it more and more. Explain the reason. The eraser gets smaller and smaller as we see it more and more due to frictional force causing wear and tear of the eraser. Question number 23. List 3 ways of reducing friction. Number 1, by making the surface smooth by polishing them. Number 2, friction in machines is reduced by lubrication. Number 3, by the use of ball bearing. Question number 24. It is difficult to open an ink pot with greasy or oily hands. Explain. When the hands are oily, then the oil acts as lubricant and reduces the friction. As the friction force is less, it is difficult to get grip of the ink pot and it becomes difficult to open it. Question number 25. It is difficult to walk on a wet road. Explain. When the road becomes wet after rain, friction is reduced and hence the road becomes slippery. Question number 26. Give 3 examples to illustrate that friction is a necessary evil. The examples to illustrate that friction is a necessary evil are: if friction were absent, we would not be able to walk. Friction is a necessary to burn a matchstick. It is due to friction that we can write on a paper by pen. Question number 27. Define static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Number 1, static friction. The maximum opposing force between the object and the surface in contact with it that makes the object stationary is called static friction. Number 2, sliding friction. When the body begins to slide on a surface, the force exerted by the surface on the object is called the sliding friction. Rolling friction. When an object rolls over a surface, the force which opposes the rolling motion of the object is called the rolling friction. Question number 28. Arrange the followings in descending order. Number 1, static friction. 2, sliding friction. 3, rolling friction. The answer is sliding friction is less than static friction and rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Question number 29. A body needs a force F1 just to start motion on surface, a force F2 to continue its motion and a force F3 to roll on the surface. What is the static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction? State whether F2 is equal, less than or greater than F1 and F3. Answer is F1 is static friction, F2 is sliding friction, F3 is rolling friction. So F2 is less than F1 but greater than F3.